So recently, I've been seeing like videos of this game, and I never personally tried it for myself. I heard it was like made in like the 1700s, and it looked pretty good. It's like cowboys themed or whatever. So let's get into it. So before this part in the story, none of my stuff got recorded. So I'm gonna update you guys. First, we found a house in a barn with O'Driscolls in it. Rescued this girl that was like a wife to the O'Driscolls. Then we found John Marston, and then we went to O'Driscoll's camp. Found that there was a guy running away in a horse. Lassoed him, came back to camp, and now we're here. So
We're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan. We're okay. We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy...
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur.
Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving will be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along. Here, you take this. I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
alright,
Use a
we're
gun.
about to go
We'll
hunting.
scare off every
some
animal
food,
every
for some
animal for
food.
miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine. Come on, this way. Now let's try for another. What? Well done. I think that's all we can carry. Okay, you pick up one, I'll get the other.
You sure your hand's okay?
It'll be fine once I get it on.
Oh, I heard.
Watch out! Bear up ahead.
Oh,
Let's see if we can find another way around. He must be real hungry. Stay well back. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter.
other way around.
Oh!
Yeah!
I like
Cut up here, off the trail.
animal interaction in this game. Really good.
Go, go. Bull won't take nobody but him.
Alright. We are back to camp.
I'm gonna hitch tie him over here.
Brought some food back, boys. Good haul, boy. Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the bow properly. Well, well, well.
Just drop it down in here.
What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid you.
Ah, he loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
Got on just fine.
Charles is a wonder.
Have a drink, boys. You earned it.
Jesus, what is that?
Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yes, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
I'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skinned that one that you dumped on the floor there. Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these, sell these in pretty much any town, if you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
A few days later. Okay.
It's been a bad few weeks, but Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams.
Ooh.
Well, I thought you was reading him his last
Got the guy
rites.
that got
Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
John.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur,
Alright, so
I think it's
it
time
is
for the train.
John Mark.
Want me to come? Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
You see me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking, we could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea, we're living. Look at me. We're living, even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke,
We gotta
Dutch.
keep out
Who is
the
Leviticus
snowstorm in the
He's
mountains.
a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch,
Steal the train from the
Gentlemen, it is
O'Driscolls.
time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob. All right, we're moving out. Follow me.
You got the rubber train.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up. Railroad bonds on this train. There's the water tower. Hold up here on the ridge. Hold.
There's the train tracks. They said something about blowing up the
Is
train
Bill
tracks
there?
when the train comes.
Yeah.
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
Okay. How you getting on?
Yeah. I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I
What's he
help a
doing?
little?
Oh, putting the dynamite
All
to
right.
blow up the tracks.
Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Okay, boy.
Have to say, I'm rather looking forward to this. Just be ready to move quick, and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes. What's going on?
He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Oh. Yeah, I've seen some.
Gentlemen, it's time.
Clips. Just played.
Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go. No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that
More, who said it was fine?
my fault.
on!
You're pathetic. You know that?
So jump on the train.
Here we go! Here we go!
Oh my god, he fell off.
I'm slipping! Hey, down here! I've got you. Now stop yelling. Arthur, help me! Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
You and me, big man.
Come on, we need to
Is that
stop
some-
this train.
Stealth.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
Oh.
Let's get a shot on this. One of you shoot them bastard.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
What is wrong with you boys? Kill him!
How you doing there?
I'm okay.
I think I like the revolvers rather than the rifle.
If we don't stop this train soon, the other boys will never catch us.
I know, just stay calm.
Oh my.
I ain't got a clear shot. I'm going up. We have to stop
Popped
this
around the
train.
corner and put a shovel straight to my face. People to know
Look out! Got more coming off the train.
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
Like, use that
Still
interface.
okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this
Doing
guy?
good, kid.
You better pick it up and tell me.
Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. Damn it. I thought that was all of them.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. Shoot him. Shoot him. Hey. Yes. Ah. More of them.
All right. Finish those sons of bitches.
How many people are on this
Good shooting,
train?
kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Partner, get over here.
Getting there. There. See?
There's
That's
a
how
chest.
it's done. Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here. Make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read.
Give me those. Think I got him.
Nice. Thank God. Come on.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
Train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas,
Stop.
I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on!
Get on the
Move.
train.
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Get a move on.
Where we got to move this train to? Oh, They just left it running.
For Lord's sake, put that book away and go help. Oh, Mary Beth.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there, no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Up and go do your job.
Alright, we're moving to the east, I think they said. Before the recording didn't record last time. Wow, this game is
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
my better graphics
You
than
two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises.
Batman
We've had
Arkham Knight.
enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Alright, I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna put this in parts, in chapters, and let me know in the comment section if I did good.